Warren Buffett's Guide to Achieving Extraordinary Riches. Welcome back, everyone. Prepare to be enthralled by the fascinating world of finance and prosperity as we shine a light on the great Warren Buffett. You're in for a treat if you've ever wanted to build wealth like him. We'll not only discover the secrets of Warren Buffett's success in this video, but we'll also have a good time doing it. So grab your favorite snack and relax back, because we're going to get into the art of becoming extremely wealthy, Buffett style. 1. The Buffett Blueprint, Investing the Right Way. Let's get right to the heart of Warren Buffett's success story, his exceptional investment style. Imagine yourself at a yard sale when you come across a dusty old lamp that turns out to be a genie's home. That's how Buffett sees the stock market, full of hidden jewels just waiting to be unearthed. However, it is not about magic. Rather, it is about value investing. Think about it like this. You're at a buffet, and everyone is filling their plates with showy, seasonal delights. You, on the other hand, are drawn to the healthful, nutritious cuisine that promise long-term delight. That's Warren's personality. He seeks out firms with solid foundations, companies that are diamonds in the rough. And when the market has them on sale, he doesn't hesitate to buy them. The twist is that it is not about making rapid money. Buffett is not here to run a sprint. He is here to run a marathon. He buys and holds, allowing his investments to develop like a well-tended garden. His superpower is patience, and it pays off big time. So the next time the market erupts and everyone panics, take a deep breath, channel your inner Buffett, and remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is riches. But wait a minute, this isn't a copy and paste game. It's all about understanding the rationale, adding your creativity, and throwing a little individuality into the mix. Because let's face it, you don't have to adopt his love of cherry Coke to benefit from his wisdom. So, as you journey into the world of wealth creation, keep your eyes open for those hidden treasures that others may ignore. It's not just about owning stock. It's about owning your financial destiny, all with that distinct Buffett twist. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be drinking a cherry Coke, sharing your own investment insights and motivating others on their path to financial greatness, just like the Oracle of Omaha. 2. The Power of Patience and Compounding Magic. All right, gather round, money enthusiasts. We're about to enter a financial paradise that requires patience and a dash of magic. Compounding magic, that is. Consider this. Warren Buffett isn't simply an investor. He's a master magician who can make money multiply while he sleeps. It's the kind of magic that doesn't require a top hat or a rabbit to perform. Picture this. You decide to invest your hard-earned money. Consider that money having children. Small money children. What's more, guess what? Those money babies mature and have their own money children. It's like a financial family tree that grows without you needing to do anything. Let us now discuss patience. We live in an age of rapid satisfaction. Instant noodles, instant texts. But Warren Buffett understands that the true treasure is in the waiting. He's the Zen master of investing, demonstrating that money is a journey rather than a sprint. Consider planting a single acorn. You don't expect an oak tree to grow the next day, do you? It requires time, care, and patience. Your investments are no exception. The longer you leave them to simmer and mature, the sweeter the results will be. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that $1 invested in Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, in 1964 would be worth more than $500,000 today? That's the power of compounding magic and patience at work. So here's the takeaway. Learn to appreciate the art of waiting. Allow your money to do its thing. Remember, it's not about timing the market. It's about being in the market at the right time. Your investments, like great wine or matured cheese, improve with age. 3. Contrarian thinking, being fearful when others are greedy. All right, my fellow financial explorers, get ready to dive deep into the area of contrarian thinking, a concept that distinguishes Warren Buffett as a true financial genius. Consider this. While the market is overwhelmed, here comes Buffett, not as the life of the party, but as the voice of reason. He embodies contrarian thinking, the art of going against the grain while making financial judgments. Picture the following scenario. The stock market is flourishing, and everyone is exclaiming, "Buy, buy, buy!" Warren, on the other hand, is calmly assessing the issue and being cautious. And when the market is falling, dread clutching many people's hearts, he's the one rubbing his hands together, ready to seize opportunities. It's like going to a sale where everyone else is paying full price for the latest item, and Buffett is getting it at a discount because he knows waiting can lead to better discounts. Remember the 2008 financial meltdown? While others were hurriedly liquidating their investments, Buffett was accumulating. It's like obtaining your favorite ice cream flavor for half the price, while others pay full price. The idea of this technique is that when the masses run in one direction, it frequently produces blind spots. And where there is a blind spot, there is an opportunity for those who dare to think differently. Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." Understanding the market's emotions is like riding a financial seesaw. So the next time you sense a market frenzy, take a breather, embrace your inner Buffett, analyze the circumstance. Sometimes the best options are ones that violate norms. Remember, dear investors, that chasing trends can be like chasing the ice cream truck. Enjoyable in the moment, but not necessarily rewarding. Instead, channel your inner contrarian, be solid in your research, and allow this concept be your guiding star in making wise financial decisions. So whether your investment path is vanilla-flavored or full with nuts and swirls, don't forget to add a hefty dosage of contrarian thinking for that additional flavor of financial insight. Segment 4. The Bookworm Billionaire. Never stop learning. Now, let's look at what makes Warren Buffett a billionaire with brains, rather than just a billionaire. Consider this. You are not only investing in stocks, you are also investing in yourself, as Buffett does. He's not going to stop learning, and it's one of his most powerful wealth-building instruments. Think of it this way. While most people are flipping through TV stations, Buffett is reading through pages of books, acquiring gold-mined ideas. He has a thirst for information that equals our want for pizza on a Friday night. And here's the best part. You don't need a library to follow in his footsteps. All you need is an open mind and a passion for knowledge. Whether it's reading a classic on investing or consuming the latest business trends, every ounce of knowledge brings you closer to thinking like Buffett. What's more, guess what? Learning does not have to feel like returning to school. You have podcasts, audiobooks, and films at your disposal, which makes the process as enjoyable as binge-watching your favorite show. Imagine increasing your financial intelligence while walking the dog or traveling to work. Talk about multitasking. Here's the secret. Every piece of knowledge you acquire empowers you. You're evolving into a self-assured decision-maker, capable of navigating the complex world of finance. So while others are caught in traffic, you're driving down the financial wisdom highway. Segment 5. Individuality over imitation, avoiding the herd. All right, fellow financial leaders, let's get into a concept that's as liberating as it is rewarding, the power of individuality over imitation. Imagine this. You're in a crowded pizza shop and everyone is talking about the classic pepperoni pie. But wait, you're wanting pineapple and jalapenos. Do you go with the crowd? Or do you trust your taste buds and try something new? When it comes to investment, Warren Buffett is like that smart friend who sticks to their own particular style despite ever-changing trends. While the herd is pursuing the hottest new thing, Buffett sits steadfast and observes the landscape with his seasoned playbook. He is not persuaded by market mania. Instead, he is guided by careful investigation, gut feeling, and a dash of ageless wisdom. Here's the golden nugget. Your financial journey is as unique as your fingerprint, a reflection of your uniqueness. Instead of following the crowd, why not dance to the beat of your own financial drum? Whether you're drawn to cutting-edge technology stocks or choose tried-and-true blue-chip corporations, your unique personality sets the tone for your own financial success story. And you know what's genuinely amazing? When you're flying, standing out from the crowd isn't such a bad thing. Buffett's business did not rise by imitating others. It thrived because he stuck to his strategic approach, even when others questioned it. So, dear friends, embrace your inner rebel totally. Be that vivid splash of pineapple amidst a sea of pepperoni, because it's your bravery that will compose the most memorable note in the big symphony of investments. So remember, while the masses are zigging, you might just uncover that financial zag, leading you to a slice of that irresistible success pie. Segment 6. The Power of Giving Back. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to enter into one of the most remarkable chapters of Warren Buffett's life. His incredible ability to give back. Imagine having a heart the size of your bank account that's Buffett's personality. He's not simply interested in gaining fortune, he's also interested in making the world a better place. When Warren Buffett speaks of donating, he's not just talking about dropping spare pennies into a charity jar. He has promised to contribute more than 99% of his vast fortune to charitable organizations. 99% is not a typo. It's as if he's playing a game of financial dominoes, with each move triggering a positive chain reaction. But here's the trick. It's not simply about the amount of money he's giving away. It's the result of those dollars impacting lives, boosting education, and creating hope in places where it's most needed. Whether it's his collaboration with Bill and Melinda Gates to tackle global concerns or his contributions to local community projects, Buffett demonstrates that wealth isn't only measured in cash, it's measured in the difference you make. And hey, it's not just billionaires who can cause waves of change. Remember that even a pebble placed into a pond causes ripples. So whether you give your time, skills, or finances, you are contributing to the magnificent symphony of giving. Imagine if we all took a leaf from Buffett's playbook. Consider a world in which financial success and making a positive effect go hand in hand. That's a future worth investing in. So let us raise our metaphorical glasses to Warren Buffett, the modern-day Robin Hood of Wall Street, demonstrating that true riches aren't just about what you have, it's about what you give. And as you work towards your financial goals, remember that you too have the capacity to leave a legacy of kindness and change. Hats off to you, Mr. Buffett. Your legacy is an inspiration, and we're honored to learn from your incredible example. Conclusion, there you have it. A full guide to supercharging your riches the Warren Buffett way. These are the stepping stones to financial prosperity, from investing methods to the importance of knowledge, from accepting your uniqueness to having a constructive influence. So, let us raise a glass to the guy who has not only created billions, but has also impacted lives along the way. Remember that your financial success journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Accept patience, engage in education, and make decisions that reflect your principles. Thank you for tuning in. Remember that the road to prosperity is paved with good investments and a lot of smiles. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more content. Until next time.